Welcome back. BJP panel has won Goa University Students' Council election. The election was held on Friday. NSUI has alleged of irregularities and political interference in the election process. There was tension at the university. However, police controlled the agitated students. NSUI has also alleged that proper procedure was not followed during the election. NSUI will approach court for justice. Meanwhile, newly elected President Gaurang Panandikar and General Secretary Nikhil Desai have refuted any such claims.
दुसऱ्या कॅम्पान दुसऱ्या सायडीन खूबश्यो प्रयत्न केल्यो बारीक बारीक किस्कुटां काडून इलेक्शन थांबोवपाचें इलेक्शन फुडें व्हरपाचें पूण आज हे एक उदाहरण जावन आसा की स्टुडंट पावर ज्या फाटल्यान आसतली ताका कोणूच हालोवपाक शकना. दुसरें म्हणजे एकूच गोष्ट सांगपाक शकता की आजचे हे युनिवर्सिटी इलेक्शन जे आमी जिखून आयल्या हो एक गोंयच्या युवाचो मनोहर पर्रीकर आनी ताच्या सरकाराक एक पाठिंबो आसा की तूं फुडें वच युवा पिढी तुज्या फाटल्यान उबी आसा.
तेंच्यांनी कितें करप स्क्रुटनी टायमा तेंचे 6 मेंबर आसा 6 वोट घातला तेंच्यांनी
आणि आमचं सांगला एकूच मेंबरा वोट करा आमका सांगला की एकूच मेंबर वोट करपा जाय डायरेक्टर सांगला की आपण बीजेपी म्हणून आणि दोन जण तू शेड्यूलचा खंयच्या पार्टी इन्वॉल्व आसपा जाय म्हणून डायरेक्टर सांगला आपण बीजेपी म्हणून
ते इलेक्शन प्रोसिजर जेन्ना चलता तेन्ना आमी ते इलेक्शन बॉयकॉट केलें. द रिजन मेनली बींग दॅट द युनिवर्सिटी ऑथॉरिटीज दॅट इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स वेलफेअर was totally biased in favor of the ruling party. जांचे आज पॅनल जिंकला तांचे.
But how only we get 17 votes and 22 votes on their side? This is a very tricky thing which has happened, and this is why tricky is because the boxes were opened without the consent of the URs. Only one panel was sitting inside and opening the boxes. This is a violation of total election process which has happened. Then after that our URs were attacked.
Whatever has happened, all said and done, right now we know for a fact that there has been pure injustice. We are not going to keep quiet. These matters are going to go before the court. These matters are going to be resolved. We are not going to keep quiet till justice prevails. That is what we condemn whatever has happened, and we are going to go till the end. This fight will go till the end.
State Pollution Control Board has served notice to the MPT following inspection of the port area. Board has observed that coal and dusty cargo handled at berth number 10 and 11 at the MPT are causing severe air pollution in Vasco. This has forced Pollution Control Board to issue show cause notice to the Port Trust. The hearing is scheduled on 11th November.
Pollution Control Board conducted inspection of the port in the month of May, June and August. It observed that due to inadequate pollution control measures being implemented by the port authorities, the concentration levels of particles are found exceeding the permissible limits on various occasions during the course of ambient air quality monitoring.
We have been continuously monitoring pollution in the port area. We have permanent stations, one in the port area, one in Vasco town, and the reports of the monitoring indicates that the particulate matter, that is PM10 and PM2.5, these are very fine particles. This concentration of this particulate matter in the air, in the port area, exceeding the limits prescribed by the Ministry of Environment and Forest.
The board has warned that the consent given to MPT to operate under the Air and Water Pollution Control Acts would be revoked if the port authorities do not control pollution that has exceeded the prescribed levels. When contacted Chairman of MPT P. Mara Pandian over the issue, he informed no such notice has been received by the trust till Thursday. He assured that all the directives of the High Court to control pollution in port area are being followed by the MPT.
Till this time, I have not received any notice from the Pollution Control Board, except that I read through a couple of newspapers that notice has been sent to us. So as and when we get the notice, we will respond to them. We will try to explain our position. We are not violating any of the conditions of the state rules or act or High Court order.
The port management officials are now summoned on 11th November along with the relevant documents and data pertaining to the amount of coal and lusty cargo being handled through berth numbers 10 and 11 at the port. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar and reporter Surendra Matkekar for Prudent Media.
A biodiversity special train is stationed at the Madgaon railway station. The Science Express train showcases the threat posed to flora and fauna on account of destruction of natural habitats. The train is run by the Department of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ministry of Environment and Forest. It will be stationed until 2nd September. Watch Biodiversity Special.
Each and every species in this world has their own importance in our daily life and in this world. So how to conserve them? By sensitizing the issues in the 10 geographical zones of India which are related to biodiversity, we are trying to create awareness and make them aware about the loss that they are at present facing.
आयज कसो मेल्ट जाता आयज आमची धर्तरी खंय पावल्या आनी झाडां पेडां वन कशें वाचोवपाक जाय गोंयांत खुबशे वन क्षेत्र आयज नश्ट जायत चल्लां इंडस्ट्रियल म्हण किंवा मायनींग एरियेक लागून वनाचो नाश जायत चल्ला तें जर खरेंच वाचोवपाक जाय जाल्यार अशें ट्रेनींतल्यान अवेरनेस घडोवन हाडपाक जाय आनी तें काम ही ट्रेन करता.
तूं ह्या ट्रेनीन कितें कितें पळयलें?
हिमालय रिजन एनिमल्स रेस्टॉरंट
ट्रेनीन कितें पळयलें तुवें?
हिमालय पळयलें एनिमल डिस्टरी पळयलें एनिमल्स डिस्टरी आनी ते टियाचे पळयलें बटरफ्लाय डिफॉर्मेटेड ते सगळें पळयलें.
Reporter Samir Bhatt from Madgaon for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.